Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can go live on Facebook. So open your Facebook account and just tap on what's on your mind here at the top. And then when you scroll down, it's the fifth option right here, live video. Tap on that. And your camera will just pop open. Here you can add a description to your live. Maybe tell your viewers or your friends about what it is. And once you're done, tap done. And then you can even invite friends to see your live by tapping on this invite icon on the lower left. If you want to invite them over, then just tap on their name and then click on done, and the invites will automatically be sent. So if you're set, just tap on go live and you would be live immediately. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.